And my role is really to drive our SMB business. And one of the things I think is attractive to partner with Lexmark is our value proposition. I think if you look at today, partners are looking to add more value to their end users. And Lexmark's strategy and our value proposition really centers around providing and becoming a solution provider of unstructured information. And what that means is we're going to help customers provide and manage their content, manage their processes, and also manage their output devices. And so we want to help partners do the same thing, whether they're dealing with small businesses or large businesses. Our value proposition to them is to provide them the best technology, whether that be our A4 hardware printer technology, or whether it's our software technology that we've made through these acquisitions, bringing our industry expertise to them so they can better understand their customer. And finally, our partner intimacy. The relationships that we develop with partners, we think really helps them understand the value prop, and we want to enable them to be successful. We know that customers are looking for their partners to bring more value than besides just managed print services. And so that's what we can offer our partners, kind of a more holistic approach while you're working with Lexmark, not just output, but looking at the whole business process and helping customers really improve their productivity, lower their cost, and improve their customer satisfaction.